The fun continued at the car show and food fair on 10th Street in Gering. Over 50 cars of various models and years lined 10th Street in front of the courthouse. Some of the car owners stated that they were prepping for competition, while others said that they were there just for fun. The food fair was also held just down the street and featured a variety of vendors and foods.
Be sure to check out the community calendar and more stories from around the area on our website at www.aroundthetownnews.wordpress.com.
Thanks for watching Around the Town News.